Hello, my name is Christopher Underwood. I teach the refinishing and collision repair here at Pickens Technical College. This is the non-structural repair technician program. It is a one-year program with start dates every fall. Technicians learn the whole gamut of the collision repair process, focusing on non-structural repair concepts and techniques we use in the industry. Technicians will complete the program with a comprehensive understanding and skill set to conduct external repairs on customer vehicles. Class runs Monday through Friday, where a majority of time is spent in the shop. Technicians should expect roughly 5 hours of hands-on work for every 1 hour spent in the classroom. Technicians will gain experience installing and removing glass, welding, grinding, operating power tools, and inspecting vehicles. The other types of repairs our technicians work on can range from cosmetic to large collision repair damage. The classroom and shop is a simulated environment of an independent shop or dealership. Technicians who graduate from the non-structural repair technician program enter the opportunistic career field of an auto body repair technician. A wide variety of jobs await the graduating technician, such as collision repair technician, car detailer, glass remover and insulator, and many more. Anyone who likes working with their hands and seeing the job through, start to finish, should consider a non-structural repair technician program as their first step in their career path. We have a beautiful space here at Pickens Technical College, and we can't wait to have you come in and get trained.